we're making rice first. Just wash. Drain your rice. Add in some clean water. And we're just gonna boil it up. And I put it in the oven for about 1 hour at 400 degrees. But if you have a rice cooker, it's obviously way better. It's more easier than this. Next, we're gonna cut the Spam. I try to cut it into about 8 or 9 pieces. I find that if you cut it to 10, it's a little too skinny and it's a little too stingy. Now we're gonna fry the Spam. Just gonna cook it in a pan on medium-high heat. Get it nice and crispy. Just make sure everything is nice and brown. And flip it every once in a while. And when it's looking like that, it's ready to go. We're gonna set it aside, and we're gonna make our teriyaki sauce. So 1 cup shoyu, 1 small smashed piece of ginger, half cup of sugar, and 1 cup of water. We're gonna bring it to a boil and add in some cornstarch slurry to thicken it up. We want this sauce to be real thick, to stick to the Spam, and also kind of stick to the rice too. This is where most of the flavor is going to be coming from. So yeah, once it's nice and thick, just pour it onto the Spam, let the Spam marinate in it for a while, and we're going to check on our rice. So if your rice is nicely done and you didn't keep messing with it, it should come out pretty good like this, nice and fluffy. Just fluff it real quick. So what I got here is a Musubi mold. I'm just going to spray it down with some non-stick spray, but you can always use your hands if you don't got a mold. Works just fine. So press down the rice. Just try to get everything to stick together. So we're going to put on the Spam. Make sure you put on the Spam with plenty of sauce. And put on some Nori, some seaweed. Make sure when you wrap it, put the seam down. That way it doesn't unravel on you when you're about to wrap it later in plastic wrap. So yeah, just shape it up so it's nice and even. And that's it, man. I mean, you're ready to eat right there, but obviously we still got a lot more to make because we cut a whole can of Spam. Just gonna make a bunch more and then we just plastic wrap it up. Spam Musubi is great for parties or potlucks because you just plastic wrap them and ready to go. So yeah, I hope you give this a try and thanks for watching.